You told me to take things slow.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree crafts along with using the Fancy Fix contact paper. I'll try to get like a better view of this, but they sent me a huge roll of this, and I have come up with some really cute like farmhouse picture frames. But I am so excited to work with this company again. They sent me a chalkboard adhesive like roll. It was so cool. It's everything that I used it for is still intact and it's working really well. My girls still love the chalkboard on this side of the refrigerator, but make sure you go check out the links in the description box below so you can check out their stuff as well. I just really am impressed with how nice their stuff holds up. I'm going to get started with this big roll. It's like a lighter wood grain is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm still gonna try to get some better views of it. But anyways, gonna get started on my craft. So the first thing you're going to need is a 25 by 35 frame. I purchased that at the Dollar Tree, an embroidery hoop. I think this was $1 or $2 at Walmart, and then this contact paper. It's a really light wood grain color. I think it is so pretty, along with this almond color spray paint. And then the first thing I'm going to do is just measure out how much contact paper I'm going to need. I really love these grids, and this also tells you the measurements of it on here as well, so I really thought that was nice. And then I'm just going to take my glass piece and put the contact paper right over the top.
But now I don't know which way to go.
And then I am just going to take my embroidery hoop, and then I am going to turn it into like a small little wreath for the center of this. I'm going to be using these flocked branches. I thought these were really cute. And then I'm also going to use some of these mini mums from the Dollar Tree.
You tear me up, and you fix me up, all for fun. You tear me up.
And then I did take some twine and just tied it to the top. I really liked the screws and everything in the embroidery hoop, so I didn't want to use the other one. I thought this looked so cute, so I just tied the twine to the top, and then I just put it on the back side. I didn't glue anything. I just used the back just to cover it and hold it together. And that is it for the first little DIY. I think this turned out so cute. I'm absolutely in love with this, and some parts of this video, my lighting was a little off, but I think these turned out so cute, and you get the gist of it, but I am in love with this piece. And then now the second one, you're just going to need 2 of those canvases. I'm using the Serenity Blue chalk spray paint, and then obviously this contact paper again. And then I spray painted the entire canvas. I didn't do the best job on the top just because I was going to put contact paper over it. But I just love how this blue and this color contact paper turned out together. I think it looks so nice. I really like it.
Then you fix me up, all for fun. The games that you play.
And I always have a little bit of extra contact paper because I would rather have more than less. And then I'm just going to take a box cutter and just cut the extra off. And once the contact paper is on, I'm just going to add 2 pictures or just 1 picture to each of these canvases. I did cut these into a 4x4 just so they were square, just like the canvas. And then I'm just putting them right in the middle and just Mod Podging them on. And you can definitely add something else to these. I just chose to leave it pretty simple. I just really liked these. I'm gonna end up hanging these in my bedroom. But that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys go check out Fancy Fix's website. I absolutely love their products. I've been so happy with everything I have received for them. There will also be a coupon code in the link, so if you do purchase from them, make sure you use that coupon code, guys. But alright, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!